Greetings from INTEX. For better performance of our LED TV, we need to remove junk files and unwanted data from the TV, just like we do on our mobile phones and computers. Please follow this process on your TV as well and try to do it once every week. This will give you a better viewing experience and help your TV work smoothly. First, go to All Apps. It is on the top of the home screen. Press OK and you will see many apps. Find the app named TV Assistant. Navigate to the app and open it. Once the app is open, click on Optimize. This will remove background apps that are running unnecessarily. Once it is done, there is an option called Deep Clean. Click on Deep Clean. You will see 3 options in it. Select all 3 options one by one and remove the files. After removing the junk files, you will see other options as well. Go to App Auto Start and check if any app is restarting unnecessarily during boot. If yes, disable it. Next is App Uninstall. Click on App Uninstall and remove unnecessary apps that are consuming storage space. Once everything is done, your TV is now optimized and will work smoothly. For any queries, please contact our support team. Thanks for watching.